Hello everyone and welcome to break 1076 for the 2019 Gold Rush Football Vault Pack. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. The current date and time according to eBay is Saturday, August 24th, 2019. It's 10:08 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:08 p.m. Central Time, and 7:08 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break we have Mike with 9 spots, Tony 5, Mince King 1, Rob the Card Shark 1 spot, Shane with 3, Kelly 3, and MB Shuttle with 10 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Mike on top, Mark on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 puts Shane on top, MB Shutta on the bottom. Alright, Shane, you have the Cardinals, Shutta Falcons, Mike Ravens, Bills, Panthers, Kelly Bears, MB Shutta Bengals, Shane Browns, Shutta Cowboys, Broncos, Tony Lions, Card Shark with Packers, Shutta Texans, Mike Colts, Tony Jaguars, Kelly Chiefs, Shutta Chargers, Tony Rams, Mike Dolphins, Vikings, Shutta with the Patriots and Saints, Tony Giants, Jets, Mike Raiders, Shutta Eagles, Mike Steelers, 49ers, Kelly Seahawks, Mince King Buccaneers, Shane Titans, and last but not least, Shutta with the Redskins. Here we are, break 1076. Where is the front? And we have a Gridiron Cut Collection Authentic Cut Auto of Ronnie Lott for the San Francisco 49ers. Very nice. That is 82 of 82. Sweet. So let's see who has the San Francisco 49ers 82 out of 82 cut auto of the Ronnie Lott for the San Francisco 49ers. Lamar Miller. All right, San Francisco 49ers is going to Mike MU-24. Congrats on the Ronnie Lott auto. 82 out of 82 for the San Francisco 49ers. And I want to thank everyone for getting the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to click that red subscribe button right next to our right thumb and turn on the bell for all notifications when we're live, upload new videos, etc. Check us out on social media, Instagram and Twitter at P2J Sports Cards. Our eBay store is also P2J Sports Cards. You'll find all of our breaks there. And be sure to follow us there. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then right after that, we'll have break 1057, 1038, and 1035. Thanks.